today's goal is to finish cleaning up the interior. And I already took care of the markings that were on the windows. As you can see, I got those off. There's a little bit, that's just excess that wipes off. So yeah, so I was able to get that off. I actually used a magic eraser. As you can see that, use that, and then I used a razor blade, and then also, as you can see, there's a lot of like junk just on the hood of the car. So I'm gonna attempt to use the magic eraser along with some like car wash, so I could try to get this front bumper, you know, as clean as possible. I already tried it over here, and you can see that headlight pop-up is pretty clean now compared to this one, which I haven't done yet. So yeah, so that's the plan for today. Like I said, clean up the rest of the interior, and just kind of clean up the outside a little bit, and I will get started, and I'll show you the update later. Peace. What's up, everybody? It's kind of like the wrap-up video from the cleaning I did over the weekend. So let's check it out and see how it turned out. All right, came out pretty clean. You know, you can see in there. You know, just lots of, you know, elbow grease. I didn't rent anything to clean out the interior like I thought I might. Just some vacuum and, you know, some elbow grease. So, yeah, so not too bad. Let's take a look here at the trunk. Let's see here. So, again, not too bad. Came out pretty good. Still lots of weird scratches that I haven't been able to tackle yet. But, yeah, overall pretty clean. Let's take a look here on the passenger side. Again, I want to try to get some floor mats that better match. And you can see all these weird little scratches that I've yet to deal with. But yeah, I mean, no cracks in the dash. Yeah, it's just pretty clean now. So I'm pretty, I feel good about how it came out. Sorry about that glare. Typically would be working today, but I have the day off. So, the other thing I did this morning actually is I swapped out the headlights for some new Hella headlights. I'm not sure if they were the originals because they were two different brands, but they need to be replaced. They're all pretty cloudy, and you know, I just wanted something a little bit brighter light. So yeah, so as you can see, came out pretty good. I will be getting a new lens that, you know, so you don't have to stare so close to my face, as no one wants to see that. But yeah, I just want to give you an update on how the car came out from cleaning over the weekend. And until my next episode, whenever that is, I will see you then. Peace out, everybody.